Hey bro, welcome to my channel Play Technical. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix black screen with a cursor on Windows 10 and 11. When your PC starts up with black screen, or you have black screen with a cursor problem after logging in, you can only see the cursor and cannot perform any action. This is usually a compatibility issue due to a graphics driver error or a Windows update. Usually, when this happens, we can fix it by pressing the shortcut key first. Press the Shift, Control, Windows, and B keys. This will wake up your PC from the blank or black screen. If this method does not solve your PC's black screen problem, I will show you some simple solutions. With your PC on a black screen, press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys. Try to open the Task Manager. If your computer is Windows 10, you need to click for more details. Then click on File Options. My PC is Windows 11 and I can just click to Run New Task option. Then you need to type CMD. Make sure you create the task with administrator privileges. Click OK to open the command prompt. Then you need to execute this command. I put it in the video description and you can go there and copy it. Press Enter to begin executing the command. This will refresh the desktop component program. After waiting for the command to finish executing, you will need to press the Control, Alt, and Delete keys. Then select the Restart option in the bottom right corner. Wait for the computer to restart and check if the black screen problem is fixed. If this method fails, you need to open Task Manager again. Then select Run New Task. Type this command and press Enter. This will open Device Manager. Find the display adapter here and expand it. Then you need to right-click on your graphics card. Select Update Driver. You can use the automatic search or manually select the driver to update. In the driver version, you can select the previous 1 to 2 years for installation. After the update is complete, restart your PC to check if the black screen error still occurs. If the black screen problem persists, then you need to try Advanced Startup Repair. First, you need to open Advanced Startup Mode from your PC at the Windows login screen, or press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete to open the security window. You can see the power option at the bottom right. You need to hold down the Shift key and select the Restart option. Wait for the PC to reboot, and then Advanced Startup Mode will open. If your PC can't enable Advanced Startup Mode using this method, you need to shut down your PC first, then press the power button to start your PC. Wait for the PC brand logo to appear on the screen, and press and hold the power button to force your PC to shut down. Repeat this 3 times and then start your PC again. Then your PC here will show Preparing Automatic Repair. Wait for it to finish loading. Your PC will then open in Advanced Startup Mode. You need to select Troubleshoot and Advanced options. We need to implement a few fixes here. Let's start at the command prompt. After opening the command prompt, you need to execute this command. Press Enter to begin execution. Scans the system and fixes the faulty problem. After the command completes the scan, it will prompt whether the repair was successful or not. Then you need to close the command prompt. You can access Windows by clicking on the Continue option. Check if the black screen issue is completely fixed. If the repair fails, then you need to open Advanced Startup Mode again. Open the Advanced options. Then you need to select the Uninstall Updates option. The black screen issue may be caused by Windows Update, so we need to try both options. Uninstall the latest quality update and feature update. I am demonstrating the process of uninstalling the latest quality update here. Click on Uninstall Quality Update here, then wait for the update uninstallation to complete. Once done, you need to click on Done. Then you need to click continue to check if the Windows black screen repair is completed. You also need to try to uninstall the latest feature updates if the fix fails. The causes of black screen malfunctions are complex, so you need to be patient to execute the fix. This is all about Fix the Black Screen with Cursor on Windows 10 and 11 issue. I hope my tutorial will help you to fix your Windows. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and I will post more videos about fixing your computer. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.